Hi, I'm Ross Holman, and this is Purple Rhino's famous three-step system. Are your faded powdered coated window frames causing you headaches? Have they become faded? Do they look dull and all washed out? Why does this window frame look new and shiny compared to these dull ones next to it? When I pour water onto this frame, it just rolls straight off. And this is real wet water. When we apply the Purple Rhino three-step system, which has hydrophobic properties, water falls right off the framework. Why am I telling you this? Because water cannot wet the powder coated frames, it has been protected. Protected from harmful UV sun rays which fade all powder coated surfaces. Protected from algae, molds and mildews. Because when moisture is repelled, nothing can grow. But that's not all. When your frames have become faded and dull, our Purple Rhino three-step product will restore them back to their original colour. That's right, red, blue, green, brown, even purple. Window frames will all be restored back to their original shiny colour, as if by magic. When the Purple Rhino three-step system is applied on your faded powder coated window frames, they will become tougher and withstand harsh weather conditions. Hot weather, cold winter weather, even hailstones can't get through the invisible barriers applied by the three-step system. Frames will look new, and that's guaranteed. When your business has been threatened with a costly dilapidation order, you can rely on the Purple Rhino three-step system to get you out of trouble fast. Wait, there's more! The famous Purple Rhino three-step system can be applied onto glass too. Because the water cannot stay on it, it won't get wet, so windows won't get dirty. The water rolls straight off as if by magic. Less regular window cleaning means you'll save money too. But that's not all. The famous Purple Rhino three-step waterproofs other surfaces too. Brick, stone, wood, almost all. You can protect them all. It even works on fiberglass super yachts too. Restore faded surfaces easily by applying the famous Purple Rhino three-step system. Over 1,000 surfaces can be protected. Call Purple Rhino on 0800 157 7484 to inquire about protecting your surfaces. Should you prefer to do it yourself, the products are available at www.softwash-systems.com. Just type in three-step. Thanks for watching. I'm Ross Holman from Purple Rhino.